and welcome. The webinar is about to begin. My name is Ari Estrada, President and Director of Marketing of FXCEM, and this is our weekly market discussion. With us today, as usual, is Robin Mueller, our Chief Market Strategist. Please take time to read the risk disclosure. Forex trading does involve a high level of risk and is not suitable for all investors. Please consider this risk disclosure before investing in any type of foreign currency transaction. All right. Basically, this is who we are. The management team at FXCEM. Ari Estrada, that's me. President, Director of Sales and Marketing. Kimberly Crochet is our Vice President and Director of Compliance and Customer Relations. Robin Mueller is our Vice President and Chief Market Strategist. We're all more than happy to help any of you anytime you have any questions. So I'm going to pass the baton on to the main event, Robin Mueller. Robin?
Yep. Thank you, Ari. Okay, so what we offer are broker introductions. We have a bunch of brokers to choose from. All that you have to do if you want to be a member at FXCEM is pick one of our brokers, and we will provide you many different things, including trade alerts, education, one-on-one consultations with us to help you tweak your trading strategy to become more successful. And then Ari or Kimberly could talk to you about managed accounts. Let's talk a little bit more about education. Okay, I head up the education process at FXCEM, and the way I approach this is I work with traders to assess where they're at in their trading. Take a look at exactly where you enter, where you exit, what kind of indicators you're using, how you're managing your risk, position sizes that you're taking, where you put your stops, pretty much the whole ball of wax. After doing that, I'll recommend areas where I think that we can improve on your system if I see any. And I'll also recommend areas of study to improve your trader mindset. One of the things that I find that happens with a lot of traders is that they've got a reasonable system, maybe needs a few tweaks, but their head really isn't where it needs to be to endure the process of being a trader. As any trader knows, this is not a get-rich-quick kind of situation. Trading is a really, really difficult way to make a reasonable living once you get good at it. In the beginning, it's rough all around. I mean, you don't get as much sleep. You work really hard, you spend lots of time analyzing, you take big risks, do lots of things that are very counterintuitive to how we're trained as we come up. They tell us to go to school, get a good degree, go out and get a good job, work 45 years, put aside a little bit in the 401k, and then retire safely. Trading, and especially trading Forex, is pretty much the antithesis of what we're taught to do. So a lot of us need a lot of work on our head, and that's one of the areas that I really look to. And for me, that is where the switch flipped. Once I got my head in the game, so to speak, I think my trading improved light years. Then we'll set up goals to measure improvement. We'll monitor progress of the updates to the system and the trader mindset. Work with you to show you how to track yourself continuously so you can see your own progress. And then we repeat the cycle as necessary to achieve the goals. So, it's an ongoing process of improvement, and I'm not here to tell you that I've made it all the way. I do things every single day to improve both my system and my mindset. And if you ever hear me saying I think I'm done, then I'm probably about ready to get taught a big lesson by the marketplace. I look at this as a continual process, and one that I'm happy to engage in with all of our members. And I really just want to create a situation where you're trading at the best that you can trade at, and I'll work with you to do so. All right, let's go on to the weekly outlooks.